Let's look at the going concern concept, still continuing with topic 6, auditing. So we shall start by looking at the meaning of going concern. So going concern, in simple terms, it's something that is continuing. Yeah. So the going concern assumption means that an entity will continue its operations for a foreseeable future unless management either intends to liquidate the entity or cease operations, or it has no realistic alternative but to do so. So the going concern assumption says that an entity will continue operating, like it will keep doing whatever it is doing unless management of that entity intends to either stop operating or liquidate the whole business, or they have very many problems and then they do not have any other option but to close. So, when financial statements are prepared on a breakup or liquidation basis, or when financial statements are not prepared on a going concern basis, the following are supposed to be done. First is non-current assets and liabilities are supposed to be reclassified as current, since if the statements are not prepared on a going concern basis, it means that it's going to close soon. So the non-current assets, remember, are those assets that stay in a business for a period of more than 1 year. But then this time around, the entity is not planning to continue for more than 1 year. So the non-current assets and liabilities are supposed to be reclassified from being non-current to current, because current are those that stay in a business for a period less than 1 year. Then secondly, assets are supposed to be stated at their realizable value, as they are not going to be used on a continuing basis. Like realizable value, it's the money that you can get in case you sell something. So they are supposed to be recorded at their realizable value. Then more provisions may be required for assets, like inventory that may be sold at reduced prices. Then additional liabilities like liquidation costs. Liquidation costs are those costs that are involved when closing down a business. So additional liabilities like liquidation costs may arise as a result of ceasing operations. Then lastly, management should disclose the fact that the going concern basis of accounting has not been used and disclose any uncertainties affecting going concern. So management is supposed to state, in case they do not use the going concern concept, they should not state that they have not used the going concern basis of accounting and then give reasons as to why they have not used it. So those are the things that can be done or that are supposed to be done in case the entity does not use the going concern basis of accounting, or if it uses the liquidation basis.